Started with a signal, breaking through the noise. A brick in hand, we heard our voice. Wires cut loose, we walked away. The world got smaller every day. From analog waves to digital dreams, nothing's ever quite what it seems. Black and white to color so bright, we're holding tomorrow in our hands tonight. We've come so far from there to here, every generation crystal clear. From the first hello to the world we know, watch the story of connection flow. Universe never sleeps, never slows. This is how the future flows. Flip it open, slide it closed. QWERTY keys in perfect rows. Then a touch that changed it all. One glass screen to rule them all. Cameras that see what our eyes cannot. Memory that never forgot. Apps for every single need. Faster, smarter, built for speed. We've come so far from there to here, every generation crystal clear. From the first hello to the world we know, watch the story of connection grow. In a season never sleeps, never slows. This is how the future flows. Every pixel, every line of code, every message sent, every download. Giants fell and new ones rose. That's the way technology goes. From Motorola to the iPhone's glow, Nokia, Samsung, watch them grow. Android dreams and Apple schemes, building more than we imagined in our dreams. We've come so far, still more to see. Every phone a new reality. From the first hello to the world we know, watch the story of connection grow.